Hello, I'm Ellen Saul. I'm one of the teachers and mentors for the symbol paper writing class. Lorraine and I are going to be working on this together, and we are excited for you to be part of this.
And Ellen, I know that some of my students did this the last time you did this, went through it and have had their symbol papers approved. And tell us some more about what has happened with some of the students that have finished the class.
I've had contact with a couple of people who are still in process and in parts of their symbol paper, but are going, I think I could present this as a for the national conference. And so we're working on how do we put this together for the national conference.
Yeah, and I get excited about symbol papers and when people really dive into it because their relationship changes with the symbol and then they contribute something that's original to
Yeah.
the Samplay community. So through this process of getting together and going through different experiential exercises, active imagination, storytelling, personal myth, poetry, you name it, something new emerges. And
Yes.
then the Samplay community gets to learn from that when these symbol papers are published or presented at conferences and such. And then something happens and we get surprised and it emerges, new meanings emerge and a new relationship that can be carried forward in our work. We take this with us for a long time after we've written a symbol paper. It continues to inform our work and help other people in their journey with the symbol. So if you're interested and you want to register, go to samplay.org. There's lots of information there about Ellen and myself, and then also about the classes and how they're structured and the dates and times.